Well, good morning. It's September 5. I don't even know what day of the week it is. I am thoroughly retired. It's wonderful. It's dark out. The camera makes it look like it's not, but it's still dark out. And in the distance, there's a high school. And there they are. They're the football team out there running drills before school. Look at that. That is cool. They're serious about football here. Yes, sir. Look at them. There they go. Anyway, it's the morning after the night before, and my friend Roberta picked me up yesterday evening. About 4, we went to her house and had dinner. She had cooked a gorgeous slow cooker stew. Big chunks of beef and whole potatoes and carrots, which I refer to as K-rots, because I love carrots, which I refer to as K-rots. And I had more K-rots than you can shake a stick at. And all kinds of other things in there, like onions, which I refer to as onions. And so I had a lot of onions. And it was delicious. I guess this is day 21 or so, and it was the best food I've had in 21 days. Incredible. A salad that was to knock your socks off, full of all kinds of good things. My wife used to make really, really good salads where she'd put in chopped up apples and raisins and all kinds of stuff in with the normal salad stuff. And Roberta did too. It was a gorgeous salad. I think I had at least 3 helpings. Coincidentally, with my arrival here is her daughter Eileen's birthday. And I had not seen Eileen in probably 35 years. I mean, she was she was in high school, so let's say 15, 16 at the time when I saw her last. And we won't talk about how many years ago that is specifically, but it was her birthday. And she walked in, didn't know I was there, walked in and said, "Frank?" I mean, she recognized me after all those years. It was wonderful. She was cute. She is adorable now. And I wish her sister Sarah had been there also. I'll tell you a story about Sarah maybe later. Okay. It was a good dinner. I didn't take enough videos. I only took 1 video, but I have some stills here, and I'm going to show you the stills. And Roger has some therapy. Roger's got some movement problems, and he's got some therapy today. So Roberta and I are going to go to the old town here in Buda and look around down there because it's very historic, and then pick Roger up, and then we will go to probably a pizza. She says there's a really good pizza joint down there, and we'll go do that and something in the afternoon. So I'll stay here all day today and sleep over, and then pull out tomorrow. So that's the plan. So right now it's in the middle of dark, and as we refer to it as dark 30, even though the camera makes it look bright, it's not. Anyway, the pictures I'm going to show you, I'm going to tell you about them now, and then I'm going to show you as part of the video. The first picture is Roberta and her daughter Eileen. The second picture is Roberta, Roger, and Eileen. The third picture is Roberta, Roger, Eileen, and their 70-pound puppy. And then the fourth picture is Roberta and Dan, Eileen's boyfriend. And then there's a movie of the cutting of the cake for Eileen. And then for history, the video that we took 2 years ago when I was here of Roberta making me a birthday cake, because I came through here with my lady friend Sean on my birthday, and she made a birthday cake for me. So it's this year's birthday cake for Eileen, and 2 years ago birthday cake for me. So it was just so much fun. By the way, Don is a big-time biker guy. We talked bikes a lot. And I just said, did I just say Don again? Okay, I am so sorry. Dan. Dan is big-time biker. Sturgis, the whole 9 yards, rides a Harley. Has a son, rides a Harley. We swapped motorcycle stories for about an hour there. What did they say? Kicking lies and telling tires. So anyway, it was a great evening, just a great evening. And here's some photos and a video, and enjoy. I'll let you know what I do today, tomorrow. Okay, look at it. We're doing it again. 2 years later.
Doing it again.
2 years later, and
2
there
years
she is
later.
with another cake.
Okay.
This time for Eileen.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, dear Eileen. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
And many more. Isn't that cute? 2 years after we were here.
Why do you wish it wasn't happening?
I'm just quoting what said in his video. But I did make a for real birthday wish.
Okay, good. Yay.
Okay.
Doing video?
Da 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 da.
Wait a minute.
To you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday, dear Frankie. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
And many more.
Let me get a knife. And here's plates.
Can I spit all over the cake now?
Nice. Make a wish.
I always told the kids, dry your mouth.
Yeah, make a wish.
Okay, I wish this wasn't happening. Here we go.
Yay!